make some Pina Colada Cupcakes, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. In a bowl whisk together 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Set aside. In a bowl, beat together half a cup of softened butter, 1 cup of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time, and mix until well combined. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Slowly add the flour mixture. And 1 can of crushed pineapple. Mix until well combined. Fill the cupcake cases and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. On a baking tray, toast a half a cup of coconut. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup of softened butter, 4½ cups of icing sugar, two tablespoons of pineapple juice, one teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix until the icing is light and fluffy. Ice the cupcakes. And decorate with toasted coconut. Enjoy Pina Colada Cupcakes!